Steve by J.Racenstein, and I have a family of 3 products from Clearview. Clearview 100, 200, and 300. 100 is a paste for doing hard water stain restoration. 200 is a wipe, like a baby wipe, for doing hard water stain restoration. And 300 is a big bottle of cleaner for hard water stain restoration in this instance. And they work under a principle of trying to remove those hard water stains from your glass. The Clearview 100 is a non-acid, safe to use, really clean SDS sheet, and it has both a hand scrubbing with a white pad application and an application described for using a powered polisher. All right? You put this on, scrub, let it dry on the glass, and then clean it off with your favorite window cleaning apparatus, squeegee, soap. So, elbow grease or powered polisher application. With all of these products, you want to test an area first, make sure that you're not harming the glass, or in the case of the next 2, which are acids, creating a tin etch haze. So, 200 and 300 are acid-based. They don't take that rubbing and scrubbing that the 100 does, but the acids require you to be more protected from a personal protection standpoint, glove up, eye protection, and test your glass carefully, because they might create a tin etch haze, but that works really fast. The baby wipe can do a panel. I've done panels 3 by 3, 3 by 4 with one wipe with a fairly good coating of hard water stain on it, but that's why you test. Take one of these out, test an area, see how it works for you. In some cases, we've been able to save people 2-3 days on a job by using this wipe with an acid in it versus the method that they had originally tested and intended to use. When you move up to the next step, you get a lot more glass than you want to use wipes for. You have a very similar chemistry in the 300, the 300 being a liquid. What I like to do is to either spray it on with a sprayer, put it on the glass, and wipe it around with a microfiber or a poly mop, or for a lot of glass, pour it into the bottom of a 5-gallon bucket, tilt it on an edge, because you don't want to let this drip. All right, don't let the product drip below you, because you'll get marks. You'll get marks on the paint, you'll get marks on the glass. So no dripping. So you want a moist but not dripping mop. Put a lid on the bucket, tilt the bucket to the side so that you can carefully dip the mop into the edge to get it moist but not dripping. And then take that, scrub the window. You'll want to keep that wet. Don't let this dry on the glass. Move from window to window, back and forth, and typically you'll be able to see it start to clear the glass quite quickly. All right, and your testing for that glass will tell you how quickly it is for doing all the panels in that large facility. But generally speaking, fast and great results with the Clearview family of products.